Here is the hotel that Bill and I are staying in, the Blue Diamond. Our other friends are staying in the Chinese district of Saigon. They are paying $17 a night. Our room cost $41 a night, and that includes breakfast. The staff at the Blue Diamond were exceptional. The rooms were spacious and clean. They also have overnight laundry service for only a couple dollars. There's also a massage area. A 1-hour massage costs $20. There is a nice restaurant, and again, breakfast is free. The hotel is in walking distance to the Bantan Market. The Notre Dame Cathedral. The War Remnants Museum. The Presidential Unified Palace. And the Saigon Post Office, built by French designer Eiffel. Yeah, same guy who built the Eiffel Tower. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel. Remember, no excuse. Go travel. Never too old to see the world.